See, that's a tank.
Can I see? Oh my gosh.
Hasn't inked yet either.
That is a tank. You're welcome, Pa. Dad, that one's Dad. Pa's gonna share that with us.
It's a beast, Roops.
Dad, Pa's gonna share that with us. Wait, I got it red.
Can I get a photo of you next to your Squid? Or stand next to it?
Dad, can you hold my rock?
Get nice and close to it. Oh, look at it. It's a big one. That's a big tank of a squid. Look at the size of that one. Alright, let's fire the tank up. Do you know what you caught, Roofs?
No. Squid.
A big fat one.
Dad, Pa's gonna share.
Hold up, net, Chloe. That's yours, the second one. Oh, quick, we've got a third one. Third squid. Yeah.
Here.
Inking everywhere.
I'm just gonna keep it.
Little baby one. Oh, inked. Ink. More ink.
That's ink. Oh,
That's water. It's out of ink.
that's cool.
Hey, Chloe. Nice and slow, Revsy. Chloe, go grab the other rod. That's probably about to go. Keep going. Wind, don't go slack. Oh, you let it see what happens? You let it go slack and you got off.
Well, mine's the first.
I think that just cut out then, but what we got now? 1, 2, 3,
Four.
4.
You got 4 squids, yes.
And we lost. That's the third lost one. Keep winding. Good boy. Keep the pressure on. Here he comes.
Oh.
Stop winding and step back. Step back. We got him. See if he inks, Chloe. A bail arm open, Chloe. Put your bail arm over. Yep. That's it. Flick it back across again. Good squid, Jay. He hasn't inked yet.
Wait, actually, that's probably the second. That's a dropper. That's the same as mine.
That's it. Ooh, he's that bigger. I think he's beaten you, Reeves.
I beat it up. That's a big one.
That squid's going nowhere. He's not letting go of that lure. Oh, there he goes.
Holy.
That's a tank.
That's bigger. That's right. That's bigger. I beat Ruby.
I'll have to say, that's a big one. And you casted that yourself too, Chloe.
Holy moly!
Big one. Oh, he's inked. Go, get down in the water, Chloe. Got him? Yep. Let him ink.
Good job, Dad.
Good work. All right, they're here. Keep your lines in the water. Look at that guy. Squiddy squid. He felt really big, but he wasn't that big at all, actually, this guy. Look at that squid. All right, hold on. I'm just going to untangle.
At least we got a squid, Dad.
How many is that? 8?
No, we had 4 squids.
And Colby got one and I got one. That must be
That's 6.
6,
Squid.
7, 8. What do you got to do when you squid, Chloe?
Dad, what's 6 plus 7?
I think I will
I
keep
think I
it.
got one.
And what have you got to do? Oh, Rebsy's on.
Ruby's on.
Nice and slow. On or off?
I think I'm not on.
So you're off. That was one. So when you get one like that, you want to go. Oh, he's back. He's back. Let it go. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, look there. Right here. Underneath Rebs. Look. Rebsy. Oh. Look, underneath. Chloe. Get your line here. Rebsy, you're on. Get the net, Chloe.
Get the net. Where's the net?
Just there. Quick. This is your squid, Rebs. I'm rescuing it for you. Yeah, that's Rebsy's one. Drop your squid. Drop. Go straight down.
Inky?
She's going. She's.
Daddy, how is
He's on it. Wind. Oh, let go. Just stay there for a second.
Ruby.
Go, give it a wind, Chloe. Jig. Drop it to the bottom and jig. Are you on?
I opened the light.
Just get.
Probably not. I cast that one.
I cast it.
Good job. And then a little baby one. He's a little one, but good eater. Bones. Got him, Rebs. Bail arm open. Stop whining. Bail arm open. Get your rod in. Bail arm open.
This one?
Yep, go. There we go. See if he inks one more. Get your line, get a cast out, Cole. He'll ink again. Look at the ink there. Here's the rat bag. You're learning the technology now.
Alarm's on.
Good job. Maybe you got a squid. Alright, hold on, Rebs.
Yep.
You got to tangle that.
Tangled.
Another squid.
I'm gonna go out the front.
Oh, we just inked everywhere.
Dude, I
Look what Dad caught.
a little greener. See? Am I sharp?
I don't know. Do they have spikes on?
Am I sharp?
What's sharp?
Look, he's sharp.
Touch it, Dad. Can I touch it?
Ooh, he's a little green dog. They're stinky little things. Little flounder on the Eco Gear ZX45. Not a big guy, but still fought pretty hard.
I tried first out of all the big ones.
First, you didn't even finish, man. Oopsie. Good running, Ribsy Griff. You just ran a big lap around the whole island.
And I did too. That's what I did. I probably did more than you.
Squid jigs today. We've got the white one,
Red one.
the gold one, and the green one. They're the ones that have been doing all the damage. You probably should mix it up. Go and grab your shoe, mate. The gold one.
Green
And that green one there.
The red one's over there.
Red one's over there. Yeah, we've got that one. Look at the parasailer.
Pink and it's so slippery.
Look at this squid haul. There are 1, 2, 3,
It's
4,
8
5 smaller ones.
5. Ew, Dad! Dad, can I have a tongue?
Yeah.
Oh, the maka.
Some big ones.
Sika.
A good squid session. We've got plenty of squid here. Calling different varieties of squid of jigs. Good calamari. Good calamari.